Hey Valley Girls, it's Jason. Today I'm going to be doing a thrift haul. I'm going to start off with some of the clothing pieces that I picked up. I got two t-shirts, the first being this crucifix shirt. It is black, and I thought it was really cute. It kind of reminds me of Givenchy, but less tacky. The next t-shirt I got is this Silverton, Colorado shirt. I thought it was really cute. The front has embroidery and has a little moose on it. Next, I got these black short overalls. They're women's size large, and these will be going in my store as well as those t-shirts that I just showed. Yeah, they're just really cute black overalls. They have silver hardware and a little patch on the front that says Revolt. I picked up two jackets for myself. The first being this leather jacket. It is black with red, white, and blue accents, and it has USA on each of the sleeves. This side has blue, and this side is red. And on the back, it has a American flag with the stars embroidered, and the rest of the flag is made out of leather as well. It's really cool, and it kind of gave me a motocross vibe, so I decided to pick it up. The next piece I picked up is this orange bomber jacket. It is reversible, but the all side has some stains on it, so I will be trying to wash it. Yeah, if it doesn't come out, it's not that big of a deal. Next, I got this studded leather belt, and it's just black with these circular studs on it. And then I got myself two pairs of shoes, and the rest of the shoes will be going to my store. The first pair are these platform brown boots, and they have a square toe. They remind me of Balenciaga shoes a little bit, and I like that they're like an ankle length. The next pair of shoes are these Fila Disruptor 2s. I believe they're the second one. And they have this like nubuck suede upper with a platform sole. And I really love platform sneakers. Almost all my shoes have either a platform or a heel on it. So I really like these a lot. They are men's 10. I usually wear a men's 9, but I feel like with thick socks I can kind of get away with it. The next pair of shoes I'm going to show you guys are all going on my store, so definitely follow me at Jason7 at Depop if you guys want to check these shoes out. The first pair of shoes are similar to the ones I just showed you, but these have a bit of a higher heel. I want to say that it's around like a 4-inch heel with a 1-inch or half-inch platform on the front. They have zippers on the inside with some like elastic little details right here, so you can fit them in a little bit better.
Don't think about it.
The next pair of shoes are by Campbell, and they're these Mary Jane heels. They have a blue insole, which is really cute, and I want to say either a 4-inch or 5-inch heel with a 1-inch platform on the front. These are really, really cute, and they caught my eye as soon as I saw them. And they are a women's 8.5, which would fit a men's 6.5 as well. The next pair of shoes are actually listed earlier today, and they already sold. They are a current mood platform sandal with this harness detail on the front, and they have a zipper in the back. These are really, really cool, and I wish they fit me, but they were really small. Or not really small, but they were smaller than my foot. These are a women's 10 or a women's 11. It kind of just depends on the shoe. But yeah, these were a size 8, and they are brand new. They have the stickers on the bottom and everything. And yeah, they already sold, so that was really cool. I post a lot of pieces on my Instagram story as well, so if you guys want to see like anything that I thrifted that day, then definitely check that out. And you can make offers before I actually put it up on my Depop. The next pair of shoes are these really dope Doc Martens. I want to say that these are 90s because of the silhouette, and they remind me of like a kind of rave motocross boot. But they have a bit of a squarer toe on the front with this like stitching detail on the toe, and it has like this square that runs up the front, and it has these adjustable straps on the side. They're just really, really sick, and they're great condition for how old they are. And yeah, they have like a traditional Doc Martens sole on the bottom. And yeah, these will be going on my Depop store. They are women's 5, which I don't believe transfers to a men's size. But if you have a smaller foot, then these are really, really dope. They really give me a like 90s goth kind of raver vibe to me. So those are all the items that I thrifted. Let me know what you thought of the pieces down below, and if you'd want to see more thrift hauls in the future. And as always, if you like it, wear it, and I'll see you in my next video.